Okay, so today we are going to be inspired by the lovely tulip fields from Holland. Here is an example.
Wow.
Here is another example. So we're going to use a little bit of perspective, and perspective is when things go back in space. So the first thing I'm going to do on my paper is I'm going to draw my horizon line. And by now in 4th grade, we should all know that the horizon line is where my sky meets the ground. So I want it like a little bit smaller at the top than at the bottom. I'm going to do what is a vanishing point right there. And I'm going to make rows that are going back to my vanishing point. So these are my fields going back. You are welcome to Google some windmills. I think they kind of look like a silo depending on what you're looking at. So you can Google what your windmill is going to look like. I drew an X for my windmill blades. You can give it your door, some windows. Again, you are welcome to Google some windmills. I'm looking off of this one, for example, but the tulip fields, you might have some bushes that are in the background. You can add a few trees. Again, if you wanted to add a tree, kind of going with the Y theme. Again, maybe some bushes on this side. A Y. You can put a few clouds in the sky if you want to. So I've drawn my whole image. To do your tulips, again, I'm going to show you these two examples. In this one, you can see where I use several shades of like orange or red, in reds and pinks, oranges and reds, different shades of each color as I'm going. So I might pick 3 shades of purple. And again, the flowers are going to be bigger in the front, and as I go back in space, they're going to get a lot smaller. And I don't want to have to make you sit through doing all of it. So I'm just going to, but like I said, I'm going to use purples on this one. So now I can come back with some different shades of purple. And again, they're going to be bigger in the front. You do want to try to color enough so that you don't see a lot of the white. As you look up tulip fields, you will see kind of the rows. There's between them kind of some greens and browns. Look, there's even one more purple I can use. When you're done with everything, you can come back and add a few touches of green for the tulip leaves. So you're going to fill all of these again with tulips. And you can look at the different way. This person just did all small little circles. Again, they did get smaller as they go to the back. They did fill in with some green grass on the side. You can use your crayons to color in your windmill. And then I will let you use watercolors on the background. But that is how we are going to get started today.